Hey gamers, I'm Lordric Valsote.
And I'm Ali Casasola.
For our CS238 final project, we worked on optimizing videos for the TikTok recommendation algorithm. In other words, how can we build a bot to post videos for us that'll make us TikTok famous?
In this video, we'll be going over an introduction to our problem, previous attempts to solve it, and our approach and our results.
TikTok is undeniably the hottest social media platform in the world, with over 1 billion monthly users worldwide. With so many eyes doom-scrolling Reddit stories overlaid on Subway Surfers gameplay every day, the most successful TikTok creators are able to garner massive amounts of wealth, fame, and power. So if we can figure out what makes the TikTok algorithm tick, we too can be wealthy, famous, and powerful. Wouldn't that be cool?
Social media platforms employ complex recommendation algorithms to push videos onto your For You page. As social media becomes an increasingly omnipresent figure in daily life, it's important to understand how exactly these platforms dictate what content we see.
But this isn't the first time someone's tried to beat the TikTok algorithm. That's actually exactly what every creator on the platform is constantly doing. Over 300 videos are uploaded to TikTok every second, with everyone fighting for as much engagement as possible. We want to get famous, but we are way too lazy to post any videos ourselves. So how can we train a bot to do it for us?
Outside of the masterminds at TikTok, the exact machinations of the all-powerful algorithm are largely a black box to us common folk. Numerous studies attempt to uncover how the TikTok algorithm exactly operates, and plenty of online guides offer tips to boost your engagement. But none of them have been able to crack the formula that TikTok uses to decide which videos appear on your For You page. In fact, this secrecy is a major cornerstone in the ongoing issues with the US TikTok ban.
So we might just be out of luck. If we weren't taking CS238, that is. We can harness the power of computer science and decision-making under uncertainty to build a bot that takes our raw footage and produces optimized videos for the TikTok algorithm.
Now, creating a bot that knows what kind of videos to post and when is quite the challenge. But we can start by modeling this problem as a Markov decision process.
We can define our states based on how much engagement a video gets. Since TikToks exist indefinitely, we'll let them go for 48 hours before recording their engagement. And using this fancy formula, we can give each video a score and categorize them into engagement buckets based on their score.
Because we aren't super cracked at CS, our bot is pretty simple and only makes one change every time it posts a new video. There are so many components that go into a TikTok, and it isn't feasible to account for every single one. Therefore, when considering the next video it'll post, it'll only perform one of these actions. Aside from these, videos are identical to reduce confounding.
And here we define our rewards.
You don't need to read all that. The gist is that we reward transitions to higher engagement states and penalize transitions to lower engagement states.
With that, we start with our first video.
'Cause after all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the
This video is kind of boring. So from here, what changes do we need to make to maximize our engagement? To figure out the optimal policy, our bot uses Q-learning with this formula. Using data from hundreds and hundreds of videos posted, our bot learned the optimal actions to take in which states.
And what did we find?
Our bot is so good. It drove 200 times more engagement to our videos than a random baseline policy. Greater inspection into why shows that for videos with high engagement, the best action to take is to change the length of our next video. We believe this is because the TikTok algorithm prioritizes when a user constantly changes the speed of the videos they post. If TikTok sees that you're posting multiple videos that all drastically change in length, it's more likely to show your videos on users' For You page. Maybe changing the length indicates to TikTok that the kind of content we post is more diverse, so maybe TikTok thinks we're an impressive content creator who knows how to post both short-form brain rot and long-form educational videos. Ah, the duality of TikTok.
Here's our best performing video.
Now, while our bot got pretty good, it could be even better. If we expanded our scope to account for even more actions, like the number of words on screen, the number of hashtags, the size of the font, and so on, we could see further refinement into how we create an optimized policy.
But even with just these changes, our video started performing really well, and we're excited to see where it can go from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit like and follow for more.